Okay, got a 6-pin Corbin Russwin from Trekmaster 30. Keys mummied. It is a restricted keyway. And the last one that I picked from Trekmaster 30, like this with a restricted keyway. I think I know me and Red Eye believe's the only two so far to open it. And if this one's anything like that other one, oh, we're open. Or I think we're open. Let's see. Yes, we're open. I figured this one would, which I believe I kind of got lucky on this one, to be honest. Let's open it up and see. Because if it's anything like that last one, the last Corbin Russwin from Trekmaster 30. Alright. I gotta see this key. Here's the bidding. Almost like the last one. It might be the same as the last one. I'm not real sure. There's the keyway. It's got that little piece of wording right there. Okay. I believe I'm going to shim it. I believe the last one I shimmed it. That's a 6-pin. Shared line on most. Close. So oversetting's real easy to do. Alright. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh. Pen and pen key pen. And I believe the last one was the same thing. Pen and pen key pens. And another one. And another. I believe the last one, all of the key pens were pen and pen. Another one. Yeah, I believe I got lucky on this lock. Yep. Thought that might have been a standard, but nope. Pen and pen. And alright, the last one. Serrated. Thank goodness none of it was threaded, it looks like. But it does look like it's been maybe a little counter milled there. Maybe. There's a wedding cake, as I call them. Serrated. Serrated spooled. Serrated. Ooh. Okay, drunken spool. And serrated spooled. Kind of reminds me of a candlestick. I don't really see threading in the top that I can see. Alright, gotta do a close-up of these beautiful pens. 1 through 5 is a pen and pen key pen. 5 serrated. Wedding cake pen, as I call it. Serrated. Serrated with a spool right there. Serrated. Drunken spool. And candlestick, which is serrated with spools in it. Beautiful lock, great lock. Kind of reminds me of the other Corbin Russwin from Trekmaster 30. Alright everyone, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. PickMe, thanks for sending the lock. Trekmaster, great lock, man. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.